Now my friends, here we are going to study about the equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. Let us know about what are the equations of axis itself, x-axis and y-axis. For that, let us take some points. If I will ask you to draw these points on the graph, for example, suppose I am having point P minus 4, 0, okay, one point. Another point Q, suppose we have 3, 0. One more point we will take, say point R, 5, 0. Okay. Again we will take one point S, of which coordinates are n, 0. Like these coordinates are there. Means what is mean by n? I can take any point in the form of n. Let us try to draw these points on the coordinate system. Where I will find these points? If you will draw plot, if you want to draw the plot point P, where you will get? Minus 4, 0. X coordinate is minus 4 of point P is minus 4 here, and y coordinate is 0, means point P is here only. Okay, this is point P. I will write it as point P here. Now let us plot the point Q, 3, 0. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. So the point 3 is here. Okay. Now again this is point Q. Again we will draw another point R. The point R is, its coordinates are 5, 0. X coordinate 5 and y coordinate is 0. So here there is point R. Thus, if you take any point in the form of n, 0, a number, 0, then here you are going to see that all these points P, Q and R, they lie on x-axis itself. What type of conclusion? By simply observing the coordinates of the given points, here you are going to see that x coordinate is changing, it is variable. X coordinate varies, but y coordinate is constant. Y coordinate is constant. So whenever such points of set you are having, that its y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is changing, then that all those points, they must lie on one axis only. And here you are going to see that all these points, they are lying on x-axis itself. And what is x-axis? X-axis is nothing but it is a line. X-axis is nothing but it is a line. Then what will be the equation of line? The equation of line is y is equal to 0. Therefore, equation, you can say that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Similarly, from this you can draw the conclusion that equation of y-axis will be x is equal to 0. Okay, what will happen when equation of y-axis, its y coordinate will change, but x coordinate it will remain 0 only. So these are the equations of x and y-axis, Okay, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now if I will take the equation of x-axis, it is y is equal to 0, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, and I can write this equation as, how I can write this y is equal to 0. If I want to write this equation of x-axis, if I will ask you of whose equation this is this is equation of x-axis, and if I want to write this equation in two variables, then how I will write, I will write this as 0x plus 1y is equal to 0. 0 into x will be 0 and 1y means y is equal to 0. Like this I will get y is equal to 0. And what will be the equation of y-axis? Similarly, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. How you will write it in the form of two variables? You can write this equation in the form of two variables as 1x plus 0y is equal to 0. This is the equation of y-axis in two variables. This is the equation of x-axis in two variables. Okay, thus we have different types of forms of the equation. In previous article you have studied that y is equal to kx. This type of form you have studied, and here you have studied what are the equations of x-axis and y-axis respectively. In 10th standard we will study about again interesting types of equations, slope intercept form, double intercept form, and so on. Okay, so in case of 9th standard, these points are sufficient for you to know about what are the equations in two variables and what is about the graph of the equations in two variables. So by using these important points, concept, you are able to solve each and every type of problem that is given for your syllabus. We have included all the concepts required to solve the problems over here. Okay, thank you.